welcome back. On today's episode,
I know what you're thinking. Is this Curious George all grown up? Well, it's not. Let's go ahead and swing right on in.
My heart away, went a bit too far, so wrong. Oh no, open up my soul, but babe, how could I know you're cold? Shame on you, should have seen what you were like, dangerously nice. You got me all you fooled me once, but I ain't falling twice. All lies. Oh Lord, I ain't gonna run. My rise has just begun. I'll shine. Shame on you. Should have seen what you were like. Dangerously nice. You got me all I never lost it, baby. What goes will come around. I'm still walking, I'm still proud. I never lost it. I never lost it. chilled out, hanging around, got old. 'Cause darling, there is nothing right when all you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone, I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong.
Alright, looks like we swanged our way to the end. This one was a lot of fun. I think I made him too sharp. I think he looks a little aggro. Like he's just about to swing on you and use your face as a punching bag. Although, with those claws, I'm 100% sure he won't be able to make a fist, so we're safe. So I'm debating on whether or not to make these videos a little bit shorter, maybe in like the 5-minute range. The only reason I make these 10 minutes is because PewDiePie said to make them 10 minutes. Not to me, of course, directly, but in several of his videos. Or maybe just talk throughout the whole entire thing. I know a lot of artists on here like to do that. But one of the main reasons I ended up making my channel kind of like this is because of Vex. If you guys are familiar with him, definitely check him out. He's like the master doodler, if that's a thing, a title. If it isn't, it should be. And then you have other artists like Jazza and Lavender Town. I don't know. I think I'm still just trying to find my my path. Plus, I barely have any videos since I'm still technically new and I only release like once a week. You got a long way to go, man. But on a side note, I am thinking about doing a non-art related channel of the hustle and grind of resales. I wasn't 100% sure if I just wanted to add it on here, but I think it should just be a separate thing because it's not gonna have, you know, like any art related stuff, and I like just having the art separate. It just looks cleaner and I think a little more professional. If you disagree or agree, let me know. Alright, if you guys have any suggestions, recommendations for what to doodle next, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash like, subscribe, hammer that bell. Until next time, peace out.